Day in the life as a chef on a yacht. We are pulling out the Ninja Creamy for breakfast this morning. Being the child of a dentist, I was never allowed to have ice cream for breakfast. But now my dreams are coming true. One of the flavors is blueberry watermelon and the other flavor is pineapple mango. I put some blueberries, raspberries, coconut, and granola on top. Unloaded the dishwasher and then got started on lunch, which was reheating things in a microwave. It is a leftover lunch today, so anything that doesn't get eaten gets thrown out. I made 4 different creamy recipes, got those into the freezer, and then made my midday espresso with white chocolate chips. I went for a little walk around the marina and saw a stingray. Then got back into the galley to start on dinner. Seasoned and seared off some shank meat, added in my mirepoix, tomato paste, and stock. Covered it up and put that into the oven to braise. Low and slow for about 8 hours, it should come out looking like this. The meat is going to fall right off that bone. Cooked up some pasta and threw it into my vodka sauce. Garnished with some Parmesan and parsley, and dinner served.
Oh, that rare.
Oh! I hope you're not putting that back up for me to use.
It's been strictly a
fly rack. I was very excited to have ice cream 2 times in one day, but it needs some more time in the freezer. We watched a boat come in, and Captain Mark made some friends. Bye, little chef. Hi, little chef. I work as a chef on a yacht, and here's everything I cooked today. I'm going to be leaving to go back to the States for a week-long break, so I'm making the crew make-ahead meals. I had a lot of sweet potatoes, so I'm going to try to use those up in a couple of different ways. First thing I made was a sweet potato sausage and pepper frittata. Baked these off, portioned them, and put them into the fridge. With the rest of the sweet potatoes, I'm making a sweet potato casserole. Lots of butter, cream, cinnamon, and topping it with pecans. Next, onto refried beans and chicken enchiladas. I'll make my filling, enchilada sauce, and start the assembly line. The enchiladas are done, let's head down into the hold to grab some more product. Then I'll rinse some rice that I'm going to have as a side for my bourbon chicken. I'll cube up my chicken thighs and season it up with soy sauce, brown sugar, and ketchup. I'll portion out the bourbon chicken and white rice into containers and into the fridge. Next, onto the pulled pork. I'll season up the pork butt with a barbecue rub and a Coca-Cola. After about an hour in the Instapot, I took it out, shredded it, and added some barbecue sauce. And last but not least, I'm making some potato salad as a side. Bye, little chef. Okay, so we have lots of leftover honeydew. We're gonna try to creamy it. Why not? That one's good to go. Next one is gonna be Nutella flavored. Some milk, chocolate pudding mix, and Nutella. Yeah. Okay, Nutella flavor's done. Next one we'll do is peanut butter Oreo. Peanut butter. They need to soak. A little bit of vanilla pudding mix. Oreo peanut butter. Done. Last one we're gonna do is white chocolate raspberry. And of course, some white chocolate pudding mix. And some white chocolate chips. Alright, white chocolate raspberry, done. I'm not going to be here to taste them, so I'm going to have to ask crew how good they are. There is so much marina drama. All of the boat captains talk to each other, so you know everything that's going on. One of the yachts next to us had a really young crew, and they were just wild. The clubhouse at the marina used to stay open 24 hours a day, but after this incident, they had to lock up. Apparently, the kid went into the clubhouse and started stealing all of their decorations. Turtle decor, plants, lamps, you name it. He then proceeded to bring this decor onto the yacht he was working on. The guy really didn't think this through, like where is he going to store that stuff? Another crew member from that boat found out that he stole all this stuff. So they lugged everything up to the clubhouse and told the management that he was sleepwalking. I am not buying it. That day, the kid left in a cab and we never saw him again. Moral of the story is don't steal, especially when you're in a foreign country. I thought this was common knowledge, but apparently not. I guess some of these yachts have drama like below deck, but I am happy to say that our boat is drama-free.
I don't like walking around this old and empty house, so hold my hand, I'll walk with you, my dear. The stairs creak as I sleep, it's keeping me awake. It's the house telling you to close your eyes. Some days I can't even trust myself. It's killing me to see that in my head that's holding me back. Tell her that I miss our little talks. Soon it will be over and buried with all the past. We used to play outside when we were young and full of love and full of some days I can't even wrong.
Hi, little chef. In culinary school, you learn about cooking methods. You have dry heat cooking. That's your searing, grilling, sauteing, and deep frying. You also have moist heat cooking, like blanching, boiling, simmering, and steaming. The dry heat cooking method lacks the presence of water, while the moist heat cooking method does not. But my favorite cooking method falls in the category of combination cooking. This is where we use both dry and moist heat cooking. Stewing and braising fall within this category. So the basic parameter of this is you season your piece of meat, sear it off to get that nice brown exterior, pour in your cooking liquid, and let it cook low and slow until it's nice and tender. The amazing thing about the combination method is you get the best of both worlds. You get that rich flavor from searing the meat with the dry cooking method, and the tenderness from using the moist heat cooking method. Braising and stewing are very similar. Braising just usually involves larger pieces of meat and smaller amounts of liquid. Bye, little chef.
Mark! This pork cart is gonna come back all beat up. A3 is gonna have to get taken to the junkyard. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! There should be a sticker on the back of this golf cart that says, "How's my driving?" Oh my god! You're driving oh god, look at this. Watch this. Watch this.
Hold on. Sorry. Sorry. Excuse me, sorry. It's a rental. Excuse me, sorry. We made it, Abby.